Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and I'm about to show you some coupon magic today. I shop at the Dollar General, and I shop there for personal items. I also get cleaning supplies, laundry soap, Pine Sol, and also paper products. I get amazing deals there. Every Saturday, the Dollar General has a $5 off of a $25 purchase coupon every Saturday. And that coupon is going to help us save a ton of money. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I made these purchases. I did not do it this past Saturday. However, I saved the receipt. I'm going to add it in at the end of this video so that you can see that I'm not pulling your leg. The first thing I bought is this Purex 4-in-1 with OxiClean for 85 loads. It was $9 regular price. Let's write it down. I'm a pencil and paper kind of girl, or as it were, dry erase and whiteboard. $9, right? Second thing I bought was more laundry soap. Arm & Hammer with the good old OxiClean in it. This was $4.25. And I'll just use the initials, A and H. $4.25. I got this Big Soleil 3-pack of razors. The original price was $5. I also got this container, 40 ounces of Pine Sol for $4. And the final thing I bought was the Downy liquid fabric softener for $2.95. Now here comes the magic. I went to the app and I added coupons for these items onto my account. The Purex had a $2 coupon. This is a subtraction sign. So let's subtract $2. The Arm & Hammer laundry soap had a $1.50 coupon. So let's subtract $1.50. These razors here had a $3 coupon. So let's subtract $3. The Pine Sol gave me a $1 coupon. And the Downy had a $1.50 coupon. Now at the Dollar General, you can stack store coupons with manufacturer coupons. These were all manufacturer coupons. They totaled up to $9. This is the regular price, and it totaled up to $25.20. So if you subtract 9 from $25.20, you get $16.20. But because the $5 coupon is a Dollar General coupon, you can stack that on top of all of those discounts. So let's take 5 away. And what do we have? Yeah, $11.20 for all 5 of those items. My strategy for doing this is to make sure that I have a couple of really high value coupons, like this $3 one here, and the $2 one at the top. I never use a coupon for less than $1. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, because I am more than willing to help y'all out to get these great deals. I'm gonna go ahead and put a picture of the receipt next. And if you'd like to see me do more deals like this, go ahead and hit that like button, and I'll be sure to do maybe one a month and show you guys the products that I buy and the low price that I paid for them. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?